Sitakunda, a land stretching over 483.97 square kilometers, home to the sacred Chandranath Hill, where spirituality meets breathing nature. The tranquil Guliakhali beach with waves dancing along the green horizon. Akilpur Sea Beach, calm and mesmerizing by the Bay of Bengal. The cascading beauty of Shastradhara waterfall, flowing like 1,000 silver streams, and the mysterious Barakunda fire pit, where flames rise endlessly from the earth. Sitakunda, a wonder where nature, mystery, and beauty live together. Thank you for watching.